If after washing and drying the filter you get a message about a dirty filter, you can make sure that the filter is the problem. To do this, you can run the vacuum cleaner without a filter for a while. Clean the vacuum cleaner of any remaining dust. There are two magnets on the edge of the filter because it can be mounted in two positions. The vacuum cleaner has a magnetic sensor that prevents it from being started without a filter. To run the vacuum cleaner without a filter, I put a magnet on the sensor. It should be a strong magnet, which is why I use two. Here is the sensor. This filter not only cleans the air that comes out of the vacuum cleaner. These are two connected filters. One filters the air that passes through the engine. The other filters the air that comes out of the vacuum cleaner. Without filters, the vacuum cleaner will suck most of the air from the rear.